Good morning. We are in St. Catharines today in my hometown, and I'm just doing a short video to show you what is happening at the St. Catharines train station today, what's been going on this week as construction has begun for the improvements to the train station for the GO train, and just to show you how things are coming along as construction has begun this past Monday, November the 11th. Today is Thursday, so let's go for a walk. And we're in Western Hill, this west part of St. Catharines, and we're on St. Paul Street West. And there's a really nice church here, St. Mary's Church, built in 1912. So let's go take a walk. And there's a lot of activity happening here as they prepare soon to remove this old bridge here. It goes over St. Paul Street, over the railway tracks. And you can see they're doing some work starting here. And they've been doing a lot of electrical work. Hydro companies have been working on putting these new poles in all along the street here. Sorry, it's very noisy. See here, and there was an old home right here, and they removed it right behind where that man is working. The bridge is closed. It's been closed for quite a while due to them doing an inspection and seeing that it's unsafe for vehicles to travel on the bridge. So, but pedestrians can still walk across it until Monday anyways. So we'll take one last look on the bridge. And this bridge was built in 1922. And you can see here the railway tracks down below. And we'll go and take a look around the other side of the bridge so you can get a better look at it. And this is where the GO train goes through, and the Amtrak train, and many freight trains on a daily basis. And here we are at St. Paul Street West and Great Western Street. Now I have one little story to tell you about this bridge. Some that have lived here for a long time know that going over this bridge, it was pretty slow speed to go over this bridge. But if you went just a little bit faster, you kind of hit it in a way, and then your stomach would do a little flip, you know, like a little bounce. It was kind of funny. I know there's a lot of people that have those kind of memories going on this bridge. Pretty ancient looking bridge though. It's I can say, like, just by looking at it, it's really well constructed if you look at it, but it is getting pretty worn away. And I think they call this rivets, like it's riveted. I'm not positive on that wording. Maybe someone can help me with that. And this is the CN rail bridge. And you can see here, there's a view looking down, and there's the train station down there. And we'll head down there shortly. And you can see there's trucks doing some work down there. And there was a bit of delay with the construction happening here for a while because they had to do a lot of rewiring from what I learned. And you can see they did some cutting down of trees. And they have built a stone roadway so they can prepare. They're preparing for the for when they work on the bridge. There you go. There's one last look at the bridge. See here, it's in pretty rough shape on the roadway. There's just one look right here down the railway. Now we're going to head to the train station. And you can see right here, it's all fenced off, and they're doing some work down here. I want to see if I can get a look at what they're doing. It's like a special truck that has the railway wheels on it, doing some work under the bridge. You can see underneath the bridge how it looks. And they did a lot of cleaning up here to get ready for the big construction. And there's a lot going on here at the train station right now. You can see the heavy equipment here.
It's huge, eh?
Okay, so we're just coming up to the train station now. Just to show you a little bit of the area, how it looks around here. It's a small park next to the train station. You can see this is where you can park your bike. Here's a view of the bridge. There's one last look at the bridge. be gone, but I'm curious to see what the new one will look like once it's complete. So from what I learned, they're also going to be adding a new rail line here to the railway. I'm not really sure when that part of the project is happening though. And we're just going to take a walk around the train station now. Okay, so here we are, the St. Catharines train station. And it's a pavilion style station. And it was built in 1917 by the Grand Trunk Railway. And this is the third station to be built on this site. And the first one that was built here was built in 1853. Now, there's been a couple renovations to this station, but not to the structure of the station. It's remained the same after all these years. And they did remove a small part at the end of the building here. And there's a lot happening in the train station field. You can see the heavy equipment trucks here. Oh my goodness. That's a massive dump truck. And you can see there's a giant pile of stone there. They're working on the road that they're building right now. And I'll see if I can get a view of that. Just see if we can get some shots here. And I believe they might be working on the parking lot here. They're doing the whole parking lot. You can see the truck, where the truck is coming out down there is where they're making the new road that's connecting Ridley Road to the train station. You can see them working away, building that roadway. And at the very end there's going to be a new roundabout at Ridley Road and to the street here. So it'll be interesting to see how that looks when it's finally done. So things are coming along. That's going to do it for the update. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.